So I wanted, since you mentioned your book, and I wish I asked you about that earlier. Let's talk about it now. So, what's your book about? What got you to? What motivated you to want to do a book like this?
So this is the book. It's a DUI arrest. Now what? It's the primer for the accused. And I wrote this for people who are accused of DUI so that they can understand the process and understand that it's not a hopeless situation, that there are ways to fight these things. And ultimately, even if you're convicted, it's probably not the end of the world. We can do an expungement later. There are things that we can do to minimize, the impact of that case, either getting it down to a reckless driving, minimizing the consequences. The vast majority of my clients never see the inside of a courtroom. They go on about their daily life. They go to work. They do their thing. I do my thing. We get this minimized for them, help them through whatever they need to do, and get their life back on track.
Right.
The book goes into some detail about the procedures, the police procedures, the things I've talked. A lot of the things I've talked about today are exactly what's in the book.
Well,
What to do when you're pulled over, what the issues are with the case. So, when a plea bargain might be available. What the scientific issues might be in the case, and helping people understand that they shouldn't just show up on their own and hope for the best. They need somebody who understands this stuff.
Well, you definitely. I'll definitely post up the link, and we'll make sure people get access to it, because I think you're right. It's important. I mean, yeah, the video is great, but I know that I'm sure you go into much more detail, and you covered a lot already.